What's the meaning of climactic? Climactic. Climactic.
Climactic. Climactic. The word climactic refers to the highest point of tension or excitement in a story or event. It is the moment when the plot or action reaches its peak and an important decision or resolution is made. This moment is usually accompanied by intense emotions, such as excitement, fear, or relief. Climactic events often have a significant impact on the outcome of the story or event and can be pivotal in shaping its conclusion. Therefore, the climactic moment is a crucial element in storytelling and is used to create a sense of catharsis and satisfaction for the audience.